Hey, how's it going? We got a security vulnerability video today. If you are in the JavaScript or Python ecosystem, you're going to want to listen to this. Our boy Firaz coming out with some shocking discoveries. Firaz over here is the CEO of a security company called Socket Security, and what they do is they scan vulnerabilities within the open source packages that are available out there, specifically for JavaScript and Python. So if you use something like npm or PyPI or Python package index, you're going to want to listen. Let's take a look at some of these examples. The first one over here is from a package called segment bundle. Right off the bat, they're not even trying to hide anything on this pre-install script. They're just going to curl or send your passwords directly to this server right here. Like they're not messing around. They're just going to go direct for the kill. This is hilarious. Like usually what they would do is they try to be a little bit more sneaky about it, put it into the code somewhere obfuscated a little bit. Pretty ballsy over here. The next example comes from a package called Urban Dictionary auth server. I don't know if this is the real Urban Dictionary account. If it is, this is pretty bad. Right off the bat, this is already kind of sketchy. They are looking for a wide array of information from the user's operating system, and I'm thinking they sent it over here to this x.neversummer.xyz domain. They try to get a little bit sneaky over here by, splitting up this folder name SSH so security companies like Socket Security can't detect it, but it's a cat and mouse game. They get a little bit smarter. Security companies get a little bit smarter. So they're actually trying a little bit. It's already kind of shocking that package is already doing crazy things like this, especially if it's from the real Urban Dictionary account. Third example right here from a package called File B Decoder. It decodes base64 encoded file content. So you get a base64 string and then you decode it and you get some sort of data. These guys aren't even going to try to be slick or anything like that. Right on the post install, they're going to download a Perl script and then run it. What I'm assuming, like it cuts off over here, but I'm assuming they download this Perl script and then they run it. And this kind of goes on for a couple of more examples, especially this one over here. PowerShell is a little bit crazy. You're running a PowerShell command in a hidden window. Okay, like in an encoded command, like it's kind of crazy that PowerShell lets you do this kind of stuff. But this is most likely a command that's going to send some information that's sensitive over to the servers, or download some sort of script, or download like malware or something like that. So you really got to be careful about the package that you use online. You definitely want to use tools like Socket Security or Sneak.io or something like that. Just make sure that the package that you want to use are clean. For the most part, more of the mainstream open source packages have a lot of eyes on it, so it's gonna be okay. But it never hurts to kind of just do a quick check over on socket.dev or Sneak.io or something like that. Anyway, I thought this was pretty interesting, and I just want to spread some awareness out there. If you like my content, give me a like and a follow. Would really appreciate it. See you in the next one. Bye.